Welcome to Rhythms of Heritage, where we embark on a captivating journey through the rich and diverse world of ancient Indian dance forms. Bharat is a land of diverse cultures that boasts an astounding array of classical and folk dance forms. The term Bharat itself signifies bhava, raga, tala, which translates to emotion, melody, rhythm, reflecting the profound essence of classical Indian arts, particularly in dance and music. In the sacred land of Bharat, where the gods are believed to have danced among the stars and the earth, with sacred rhythms, the rivers flowed with stories and the mountains stood as silent witnesses to the dance of time. In the sacred realms of Sanatan Dharma, Shiva is revered as one of the principal deities. Among his many manifestations, Nataraja stands out as a symbol of the cyclical nature of the cosmos. The name Nataraja translates to the Lord of Dance, and his iconic form reflects the eternal dance of the universe. In a land rich with diverse kingdoms and vibrant cultures, the dance forms were not mere performances but sacred rituals, deeply embedded in the spiritual and social fabric of the time. They were the living expressions of devotion, storytelling, and the divine interplay between gods and mortals. Let's dive into the glimpse of popular dance forms of India. Our story begins in the southern state of Tamil Nadu, in a world where temples were not just places of worship but also centers of artistic and spiritual life. Bharatanatyam's roots stretch back over 2000 years to the ancient treatise known as the Natya Shastra, a sacred text attributed to the sage Bharata Muni. This text laid the foundation for classical Indian dance, and Bharatanatyam emerged as one of its most enduring and cherished forms. Bharatanatyam is a blend of expression, music, rhythm, and dance. It embodies a rich blend of spirituality, storytelling, and artistic expressions. With its intricate footwork, expressive gestures, called mudras, and beautiful costumes, the dance unfolds in a series of sequences, each designed to convey different moods and stories. It tells mesmerizing stories of gods and goddesses, embodying the essence of devotion and grace. Travel to North India, particularly in the historical city of Varanasi and the royal courts of Lucknow and Jaipur, to explore Kathak, a classical dance form, renowned for its intricate footwork, expressive gestures, and compelling storytelling. Kathak, which means the art of storytelling in Sanskrit, has its roots deep in the traditions of Indian dance and drama. It originated from the storytelling traditions of Kathakars, who travel from village to village narrating stories. Known for its fast spins and intricate footwork, Kathak dancers often wear ghungroos, or ankle bells, which add a musical element to their every move. The stories in Kathak revolve around love, valor, and devotion, typically narrated through expressive facial gestures and swift, elegant movements. Our visionary dancers have preserved and transformed Kathak, infusing it with modern interpretations while honoring its traditional roots. with a journey to Odisha. Immerse yourself in the sensuous and lyrical dance of Odissi. One of the oldest surviving dance forms, Odissi is characterized by its fluid movements and sculpturesque poses. The dance's movements and expressions were inspired by the historic sculptures and carvings that adorned the temples. Odissi dances often depict tales from the life of Lord Krishna, with their bodies forming exquisite shapes that mimic the divine temple sculptures. It highlights the unique fluidity of movements and its spiritual origins linked to the temples of Puri. This dance form, with its graceful postures and intricate expressions, conveys deep religious and cultural meanings. In the vibrant and mystic landscapes of South India, there thrived a traditional folk dance form that would captivate the soul and stir the imagination. It is known as Yakshagana, a theatrical tradition rich in color, drama, and divine stories, celebrated especially in the coastal regions of Karnataka. The origins of Yakshagana dates back to the 12th century and is shrouded in a veil of mythology and tradition. The word Yakshagana translates to the Song of the Yakshas, an evocative title that hints at its celestial roots. The essence of Yakshagana lies in its dramatic presentations, often depicting stories from the great epics like the Mahabharata and Ramayana, as well as regional legends. The intricate mask-like makeup and elaborate costumes are designed to transform the actors into mythological characters, with each color and design holding symbolic meaning. Our next tale is with the traditional elements of Kuchipudi, from Andhra Pradesh. At its heart, it is a divine interplay of rhythm, movement, and expression. The origins of Kuchipudi goes back to the 17th century. The dance form is characterized by its graceful, rhythmic footwork, expressive gestures, and dramatic storytelling. One of the most captivating elements of Kuchipudi is its Tarangam segment, where the dancer performs intricate footwork while balancing on the edges of a brass plate. This part of the performance is a display of extraordinary skill and balance, and it symbolizes the dancer's ability to maintain harmony and poise, even in the most challenging situations. In the lush and verdant landscapes of Kerala, there thrived a dance form called Kathakali, that was both a vivid spectacle and a profound expression of spiritual and cultural storytelling. Kathakali is a classical dance drama that dates back to the 17th century. Kathakali actually means story play, and it has been a highly specialized dance style for ages. The dancers undergo rigorous training to perfect their eye movements and facial expressions, making every performance a visual treat. With its vibrant costumes and elaborate makeup, Kathakali is nothing short of a spectacle. In the verdant hills of northeastern India, Manipuri emerged as a dance form so enchanting that it has been cherished for centuries. It is a delicate and expressive art that embodies the spiritual and cultural essence of the region. Manipuri dance is said to have its roots in the sacred rituals and festivals of its historic land, tracing back over 1,000 years. Historians say that the dance was inspired by the divine love stories of Radha, Krishna, and it was initially performed as a ritualistic offering in temples dedicated to these deities. Over time, it transformed into a formalized dance style, celebrated for its grace, spirituality, and aesthetic beauty. In addition to these dance forms, Bharat is home to vibrant dances like Bhangra from Punjab, Garba from Gujarat, Satriya from Assam, and Lavani from Maharashtra. Our dance forms, each with its unique style, were not only a means of artistic performance but also a reflection of the profound spiritual and cultural heritage of Bharat. Each dance form is a reflection of the region's traditions, festivals, and daily life, adding to the colorful legacy of our culture. They were performed with a deep sense of reverence, connecting the divine with the earthly and celebrating the eternal dance of life. Rhythms of Heritage is more than just a sequence about dance. It's a celebration of India's cultural legacy and the enduring spirit of its people. As we look back at these ancient dance forms, we see a beautiful mosaic of tradition and artistry, each dance form a testament to the rich cultural legacy of Bharat. They continue to inspire and captivate audiences today, preserving the timeless essence of the land, where dance and spirituality are forever intertwined. Thanks for joining us in this beautiful journey. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the richness of Bhavya Bharat.